I would like to thank to all the visitors of Shaira Nicole. Ang special message na ko ka Shaira, karon 18 years old na siya, allowed na siya daw mag-uyab-uyab. Pero ako ipanghinahon sa iyang birthday karon na kanang magpalampuson ng ang imong pag-eskwela, makabuti mo ang imong gustong maabot sa imong kinabuhi kay someday ikaw na po'y naibabalong kawal imong pamilya, makita di mo ang ugunsa po di mo pagpatako sa imong anak someday. Salamat kayo and happy birthday, Shaira.
On her 18th birthday, Shaira Nicole Luciones. And for those who are saying the night is young and the floor is now open for dancing, and also the swimming pool is ready for you guys. Once again, this is your host, Andy Martinez, now signing off. Thank you so much. Good night, everyone.